Okay, so let's show you more of how to use Diva, but with the red example. So we want to graph y is equal to negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 6. So I'll do the working out down here to the left. What did D stand for? Direction. What is the sign in front of x squared? Negative. So what direction is it going to point? It's going to point upwards, so concave. Why? Do you need a way to remember concave? Does this look like the mouth, the opening of the cave? Okay. Well, it should work for most people. Maybe not Patrice. Direction. What did I stand for? Intercepts. I'm going to draw the quadratic again so I don't need to scroll up all the time. It's negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 6. I need to solve this with any strategy. Is there a common factor in all of those? Yeah, 2. I can remove negative 2. I could chuck it out the front. And so what would be left? X squared. If I've removed negative 2 as a factor of 4x, what would I have to times negative 2 by to get positive 4x? Excellent. Negative 2x. What would I need to times negative 2 by to get positive 6? Good. I'm making it equal 0. Do I have a strategy that will allow me to factorize x squared, take 2x, take 3? What? Which one? Sum and product. Let's try. What are the numbers I can times together to get 3? 1 and 3. What combination can I use to get negative 2? One take 3. Yeah, I agree. So what does that factorize to? Negative 2 bracket x plus 1 bracket x take 3 equals nothing. What situation do we have now? Null factor law. Something times something times something equals nothing. Does it make sense to say negative 2 equals 0? Ignore that. But we can say x plus 1 equals 0. We're cool with that. Or x take 3 equals 0. What's x going to be for the left-hand side one? X is equal to negative 1. Or x is going to be the right-hand side one? Positive 3. So I can put some dots there. X is equal to negative 1. 1 dot there. X is equal to 3. 1 dot here. What does A stand for? Axis of symmetry. What was the equation for it? X is equal to? Minus B over 2A. Minus B is negative 4. 2A's is 2 lots of negative 2. You've got negative 4 over negative 4. What's 1? So I can put my dotted line here at x is equal to 1. Does it make sense? Are these two dots equal distance from the mirror, the axis of symmetry? So what was the last thing? What did the V stand for? V? Concave doesn't even start with V. Vertex. How did I find the vertex? What did I use? What did I substitute into your equation? What I just found? I found x was 1. Shh. So the original equation was negative 2x squared plus 4x plus 6. I'm substituting that into x. So negative 2 lots of 1 squared plus 4 times 1 plus 6. What is 1 squared? Times by negative 2. What's 4 times by 1? Plus 6. Okay, negative 2. Add 4. What is that? 2 plus 6? 8. So what is the location of my vertex? It's x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 8. So I put a red dot here. Do I have a number of dots that I could draw my curve through? You've got the point up there. Got these 2 dots. It's a little narrower, so I'm going to try my... Just really the only thing I'm looking for is in your test, if it looks like a dong, start over, okay? If it's like a nice curve, we're cool. If it's like too sharp, if it's literally a triangle, start over, okay?